Here is interesting app which is called Fake Messages Pro. So this is just app for entertainment. I'm not advising you to use it in any, not appropriate way, but just for having fun, for pranking your friends. Let's just explore it. It started to hit the top charts in the US App Store. You can see that probably it's even made by like a solo developer. People are writing good idea, but app doesn't work well. Currently, the app can create two text messages that can be sent. This number needs to be increased greatly to make this app functional. 2.5 out of 5 average rating. But anyways, let's just install it and see how to create an account and have fun with your friends. Like, once again, in this app you can just have fun with friends. Don't try to use it in any like inappropriate way or something like that. So it's like very tiny app, actually just 10 megabytes. So let's just open it up. You can give access to your notifications. Then there are different groups. And then there is how to create a group, add messages to the group, click the lightning button to activate the group, close this app and waiting for the fake messages. So here is the group. Sander, Frank, come here right now. And then, so for example, you can, Frank is or someone else who can send you messages, and then you can just have that. It sends. Then I can just add another message. I can add. Oops, so I can't add more messages. Nope. Okay, let's create a new group. So seems it's. Please close this app and wait for the fake messages. Okay, we can just enable that this fake message will arrive in like 10 seconds. That succeeded. So let's just, wait for 10 seconds and see if this message is arriving. So actually you can prank your friends like this. But of course, you will just see that this message is appeared just like that in the notification center. So of course you will need to have your notifications enabled, and then you will just have that coming as a message or as a notification bar basically on the phone. And especially if your phone is locked or someone seen, you can prank your friends this way, and it can be pretty interesting, just a prank app. So that's kind of fun. So pretty cool, right?